Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this exponential problem 3 power 3 power x equal 27 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 3 power x equal this 27 I can write it as 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 power x equals 3 power 3. Now if we compare both sides, so 3 power x equals 3. So we can write this as 3 power 1. So what is the value of x? 1. So let's verify. 3 power x equal 27. So it becomes 3 power 1 equal 27. So 3 power 1 is 3. And 3 cube is 27. So yes, x is equals to 1 is the verified solution. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.